everyone, today we're going to be doing our last and final vegetable garden harvest because fall has finally came and it's getting really cold. So we're going to be harvesting as many vegetables as we can today and we're going to bring them all inside. Let's go do it. Here's the wagon. So first we're going to be harvesting our yellow onion. Look how big this one is. It's huge. Look at this one. Look how long the roots are.
Potato.
They're so big and we got so many onions this year. So now we're done picking all the onions and now we're going to pick all the red bell peppers. Come on, let's go pick them. Look at this big bright red one. Big. There's these two more. This one's funny shaped.
Can I put it in? Here you are.
So now let's go harvest the rest of the bell peppers from the other patches. Or the other boxes.
Put the corn in there.
Here we are. Look at all the red bell peppers over here. Let's pick all of them.
Covered with them. This one kind of looks like a pumpkin. I found lots on that one plant. These are a lot of bell peppers.
Look at all of these ones. This one has another one coming out of the top. Isn't that cool?
Here's another one. Wonder how many are on this stem. Now we're going to start picking the other two boxes.
We've also got some yellow ones over here. Look how bright this one is.
He also has some purple ones.
These two are very long.
This one is really long.
Wow. How are we going to eat all these bell peppers? So many of them. And they're all in different colors. Here's the green one. Look at all of these chili peppers. They're so many of them. Right now we're going to pick a few of them and we're going to leave the rest so they can ripen and we can use them during the winter. Let's start picking. Look how long they are. I bet there's over 100 of them in this one box.
You are right.
The plants are just covered in chili peppers. There's just so many.
We're gonna have a lot to ripen.
Have our okra plants, and they're really tall as me. And we got a lot of okras from them this summer, but now it's cold, so they're not producing that many. And you guys might see these really big ones, and we've left these ones for seeds for next year. And over here we have our ground shade plants, and they've gotten huge. They're getting really wide, and they're producing lots of ground cherries. And if you look under the plants, that's where all the ground cherries are. And inside of these pods are where the ground cherries are. Tastes really good. We can get over 100 by just putting them all out. Look at all this. Let's put them in their wagon. Let's pick the rest of them. So now we're gonna go harvest our spaghetti squash, and they can't tolerate the cold either. So let's go harvest them. So heavy. So belly. So as you can see, there's a lot of spaghetti squash, but only the yellow ones were there are ready. So let's harvest them. Let's pick this one first. Here you go, Raina. Okay, bring it and put it in the wagon. You see any more, Raina?
This one's a big one.
This one? Look how big this one is. So we picked all the spaghetti squash that was already ripe, and there's still about 5 more that aren't ripe yet. And I think they'll be ripe in a few more days. And now we're gonna go check our pumpkin plant over there and see if the pumpkin is ready. Let's go.
Pumpkin.
This is even more heavy than all the spaghetti squash.
Here's the pumpkin. There's a pumpkin that's almost ready. That's great.
So the pumpkin isn't ready yet, so we're gonna leave it, and I think it'll be ready in a few more days. So in this garden over here, we have some butternut squash to harvest. Let's go do it. Here's the first one.
Lots of dirt.
Look at this one, it's so long. Done. So now we're done harvesting the butternut squash. Our wagon is almost full. It's up to the top already. We've got a lot of bell peppers, watermelons, spaghetti squash, and a bunch of small butternut squashes. Well, now we're gonna harvest some of our eggplants. Let's go. Which ones are ready? Hope this one over here is ready. Okay, cut Dino. Put it in the wagon. Now let's see where this more.
Look at this big eggplant. So now we're done harvesting all our vegetables, and we'll see you guys in our next video.